Giving your iron a thorough cleaning will help you avoid messy ironing mishaps and keep it in like-new condition. Here's what you'll need. Before you begin, be sure the iron is unplugged and cool. To clean the inside of your iron, pour a mixture of 1/4 cup white vinegar and 3/4 cup distilled water into the reservoir. Plug the iron in and let it heat up for a few minutes. Then press the steam button and hold until steam comes out. Repeat this 3 to 6 times before turning off the iron. Use cotton swabs to remove any remaining mineral deposits or sediment from the steam vents. Unplug the iron, and once it's cool, empty out the mixture. Next, with the iron unplugged, clean the bottom of the iron, also called the sole plate, using a paste made with 1 tablespoon water and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. After applying the paste, wipe the iron clean with a damp cloth. Then turn the iron back on, fill it with distilled water, and select the steam setting. Running the iron over a thick towel, press the steam button to ensure no paste remains inside the vent holes. To remove stubborn residue, heat up the iron until the residue on the sole plate is somewhat pliable. Then unplug the iron and place it on ice for about 10 minutes. Then, using a dull plastic edge, gently scrape away the hardened residue. Finish up by wiping the iron clean so it'll be ready for your next ironing session. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.